This is question number 3 on homework number 13. This question says, find the lengths of the 2 missing sides, show your work. So in class today, I just gave you one missing side and I would put X or a question mark. We're going to try to do both today. And we're going to follow the steps from what we had in class. If we look at this triangle, we have 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So we know this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So that means we're going to be using this diagram from the front of your paper from today. Our first step is going to be to plug in the known side to the sides above and write an equation. So our known side over here, the only one we don't know this one, we don't know this one, this is our known side. That we know is our hypotenuse, because if we draw our laser beam out from our right angle, we hit that side. So we need to match it up with the hypotenuse over here. Here's my hypotenuse, because we draw an angle or arrow out from the right angle. So 2x, we need to set up an equation equals 14. So 2x equals 14. Second step, we need to solve for x. Right now, x is being multiplied by 2. To undo that, we need to divide by 2 on both sides. 14 divided by 2 is going to be 7. So I know that x is 7. My final step is going to be to plug x into the equation for the missing side. We have 2 missing sides here, but let's just focus on one at a time. Let's focus on the short side first. So I'm going to say short side. And my short side, if I come over to my formulas here, my short side is x. So I'm going to say x. And if I need to plug in x, because it says plug x into the equation, well, x was 7. So if I'm just replacing x, my short side has to be 7. So that would be this side, and we can label it down here. The short leg is 7. For the long leg, our formula is going to be a little bit different. So let's write long side or long leg, either one. And if I come over to my formulas here, this is my hypotenuse, so it's not going to be that side. This is my short leg, so it has to be this one. This is my long leg. So it's going to be x square roots of 3. So write that down, x square roots of 3. Then it says plug it in, plug in x. X we said was 7, so we're going to replace this x with 7, and we get 7 square roots of 3. So our long side is going to be 7 square roots of 3, which means that we can write 7 square roots of 3. So our triangle here is 14 on the hypotenuse, 7 on the short leg, and 7 square roots of 3 on the long leg.